2 bomb blasts were reportedly recorded in Maiduguri, capital of Borno State today July 30, on the eve of Sallah celebrations. The first blast occurred at Gwannge, a residential area around 6 p.m. while the other blast occurred at where cars are sold at Mairi in the state capital. Borno State Commissioner of Police, Mohammed Aliyu, who confirmed the incident, said one person was killed while 16 others sustained injuries. He said, "We have dispatched our explosive ordinance detection (IED) team to investigate the incidents and to determine whether improvised explosive devices (IEDs) were used. Right now, I am at the specialist hospital where we have 16 persons with 1 dead. So far we have